Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ramp app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ramp is a corporate finance and expense management app designed to help businesses track spending, manage budgets, automate expense reporting, and optimize cash flow. The app includes corporate cards, real-time dashboards, vendor payments, spend analytics, multi-user access, secure data encryption, and integration with accounting software. It also supports automated approvals, customizable reporting, and team management features. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Ramp is widely appreciated by finance teams and business managers for its clean interface, fast navigation, and automated expense reporting. It allows users to track and control company spending efficiently, generate reports for accounting purposes, and gain actionable insights from dashboards. Many users like that the app reduces manual work, helps prevent overspending, and integrates smoothly with other financial software. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features require paid subscriptions or enterprise-level access, which may not suit smaller teams or startups. There are occasional complaints about connecting certain accounting platforms, and some users feel the customization options could be more flexible for unique business needs. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Ramp app may be worth using if you're a business manager or finance team looking for a comprehensive, automated, and user-friendly expense management tool. It shines in automation, reporting, and real-time insights. However, if you're a smaller team without enterprise needs or prefer fully free tools, it might not fully meet your requirements. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.